Find the maximum amount of capital that can be generated by investing in given set of projects. Each project requires a certain amount of capital to be invested and generate a certain amount of profit when it is successfully completed. The goal is to select a maximum of projects to invest in, which ensures that the total amount of capital investment doesn't exceed the initial amount of available capital. The project can be solved using greedy algorithm. We can sort the project based on the capital requirement and maintain a priority queue of available projects. When we iterate through the priority queue, adding project that has a capital requirement less than or equal to available project to another priority queue sorted by profit. When we select the project with the highest profit and add its profit to the available capital, repeat this process to maximum of project or until then there are no more projects left to invest. The solution can be solved using two priority queue. The first priority queue, PQ, will keep track of available projects based on the capital requirement, and the second priority queue will keep track of available projects based on the profit. Add each project to the priority queue with the capital requirement and profit as a pair of value. Then iterate through each project in the priority queue for each project. Check if the capital requirement is less than or equal to available capital. If it is, add the project to the priority queue. Repeat this process until there are no more project left to priority queue or the capital requirement of next project in the queue is greater than W. At this point, we have priority queue populated with all available projects that can be invested in. Next, select up to K project for investment for priority queue. Profit. For each selected project, we add its profit to the available capital W. Repeat this process until we have selected project or there are no more projects left to priority queue profit. Finally, we return the final value of W. The time complexity of solution is big O of n log n and the space complexity of the solution is big O of n. In the given input value, we have k equal to W equal 0, profit equal 1, 2, 3, capital equal 0, 1, 1. So we need to follow all the steps above, like initializing to priority queue, PQ cap and PQ pro to get the final result. PQ cap will be 0, 1, 1, 2 and 1, 3. PQ pro will be 0, 1, 1, 2. PQ pro will next be 1, 2. Okay. Then W will be 0 plus 2 equal 2. PQ cap will be 1 and 3. PQ pro will be 1, comma 2. PQ cap next will be 1 and 3 and W will be 2 plus 1 equal 3. Now we have invested in two projects and our available capital is 3. We have reached the end of the loop and we return the final value of W. Therefore, the output of the program is 3.